tingga ngemti ayat mo Apo ket awan patinggana uray tilawag ket maawan SIKA Apo di nakampulos binaybayan.
Every road may reach an end, but you remain my faithful friend. Through every sorrow, through every day, your loving hands will guide my way.
Jesus, you are my hope and sunshine. SIKA ti namnamaak.